Namaste everyone. In this video, let me continue the same exercise, that is exercise 7.2 and with question number 3. You can see here the question 3 picture has given and I'll read the question, try to understand. To conduct sports day activities in your rectangular shaped school ground, that is A, B, C, D is your school ground. Lines have been drawn with a chalk powder at a distance of 1 meter each. Means you can see here every line has distance 1 meter. And placing with a chalk powder at a distance of 1 meter each, 100 flower pots have been placed at a distance of 1 meter from each other along AD. Means along x-axis. So they are drawing the lines, that is vertically. And along y-axis, you can see the pots, 100 pots kept, and the distance between each consecutive pot is 1 meter. So here as shown in the figure, Niharika runs 1/4 of the distance AD on the second line. So where is Niharika? Niharika is on second line and she is running 1/4 of this. What is meaning 1/4 of this? You already know that the distance between from A and the 100th part is 100 meters. So 1/4 of 100 means what? 25 meters. So Niharika is on second line, that is on x-axis, and she ran 1/4 of the distance AD. What will become the coordinates of Niharika? 2, 25. Why 2? On x-axis she is on second line and on y-axis that is 25 meters. So it becomes 2, 25 meter. Similarly, you can continue and she will post what type of color she will post, that is green color flag. And then Preeti runs 1/5 of the distance of AD. Means what is 1/5 of 100? 100 by 5, that is 20. So we got 20 meter along AD and she is on 8th line on x-axis. Means what will be the coordinate of Preeti? 8, 20. So the coordinates of Niharika are 2, 25 and the coordinates of Preeti are 8, 20. So what we have to find exactly? They posted their flags. Now what we have to find? Here the given Preeti runs 1/5 of the distance AD on 8th line and post a red flag. So she will post green flag and she posted red flag. What is the distance between both the flags? Means I have to find the distance between both the flags using distance formula. Next, if Rashmi, one more girl, Rashmi has to post a blue flag exactly halfway between the line segment. Means, so another girl Rashmi comes exactly middle of these two children and post the flag, blue flag exactly middle. The blue flag becomes the midpoint of green and the red flag. So between the line segment joining the two flags, where should she post her flag? So in this question, we need to find two things. One is the distance between green flag and the red flag, and also we have to find the coordinates of the blue flag. So let me start. Now you can see, let AB be the x-axis. So what is x-axis here? AB. You can see AB is x-axis and AD be y-axis. AD, you can see here AD be y-axis. When AB is x-axis and when AD is y-axis, what will be A? A becomes the origin. So A being the origin. So Niharika runs on second line and covers 1/4 of 100. As I told before, it becomes 25 and post green flag. So what are the coordinates of the green flag? 2, 25. And you know Preeti runs on 8th line and covers 1/5 of 100, that becomes 20 and post red flag. So what are the coordinates of red flag? 8, 20. So the diagram is in this way. So whatever he has given in this picture, so I have taken in this way the green flag coordinates and the red flag coordinates. First question, I have to find the distance between green and red. So which formula you use? Yes, we have to use distance formula. Distance between green and red flag is square root of x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. Substitute root of 2 minus 8 whole square plus 25 minus 20 whole square becomes 2 minus 8 is what? Minus 6 square, that is 36. and here 5 square becomes 25. So root 61 meter. You can keep as it is, no need of doing long division. That is root 61 meter I got. What? That is the distance between green flag and red flag. Now the another question is, I have to find the coordinates of blue flag. What is coordinate? What is the meaning of coordinate? That is x value and y value of this b we have to find. Since he has given that b is exactly middle of g and r, so we can apply the midpoint formula. So b of x comma y equal to x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. So what is x1? 2. And what is x2 here? 8. 2 plus 8 by 2, that becomes 10 by 2, 5. And y1 plus y2, 25 plus 20, 45 by 2. So what is conclusion now? I got 5 comma 45 by 2. That is, hence Rashmi should post. Where she should post? If she will be in the middle of these two flags, she has to post her flag at, that is on 5th line on x-axis, 5th line, at a distance of 45 by 2, that is 22.5 meter. So in this position, if she posts, then she will be exactly middle of green flag and red flag. The next question is, listen this question very carefully, and this is very important topic. Find the ratio in which the line segment joining the points of -3, 10, 6, -8 is divided by -1, 6. So you may get confusion here. There are 3 ordered pairs. So which is the first point, which is the last point, and which is the middle point? Be careful. Joining, the word you can see, the joining the points means these two are the points of the line. That is, first point is -3, 10 and the last point is 6, -8. This line is divided by, whenever they use the word divided by or division, this point becomes the between point. So now we know all the 3 points A, B and the point P. Now what I have to find? Ratio. I already said you, whenever if you want to find the ratio, use the special case, that is k:1 case. Next, what is the formula of that? P of x comma y equal to kx2 plus x1 divided by k plus 1 comma ky2 plus y1 divided by k plus 1. Now let me consider x value. X equal to what? X equal to kx2 plus x1 whole divided by k plus 1. Substitute x value. X is here, you can see x is -1 equal to k, we don't know, keep as it is. X2 is 6 plus x1 is -3 divided by k plus 1. Send k plus 1 to left side, it becomes -1 into k plus 1 equal to 6 into k, 6k plus into minus, -3. Now bring k on left side, minus k, 6k comes this side, minus 6k, and this equals to -3, -1 comes this side, +1. So minus 6k minus 1k is -7k, -3 plus 2, -2. So I got minus gets cancelled, so k equals to 2 by 3. So but I need to find the ratio. What is meaning of ratio? So when I write this as 1, k by 1, it becomes 2 by 7. Then what is the ratio? K is to 1 is nothing but 2 is to 7. Nothing but M1 is to M2. This is nothing but M1 is to M2. So we got the ratio 2 is to 3. Remember, ratio cannot be negative because this is an internal division. So here ratio in this case is always positive. This you have to keep in mind. Whenever you get k value negative, somewhere you have done mistake. Please you have to check the answer. So always ratio should be positive. So thank you children. In the next video I am going to complete 2 more questions.